welcome to the Kitchen Gypsy. Today we're gonna make pernil, also known as pork shoulder. So I like to make it so that we have Querito, which I don't know how to say in English, but it's the skin nice and crunchy and it just gives it texture. So we're gonna start with just cutting the skin off. So that this way, when we make the Querito, we don't want all the fat to be put back in.
So you're taking off the skin, which has the fat underneath it, but you're still gonna keep the skin.
Yes, we're gonna keep it because we want what's called Querito, or
a crunchiness to it?
Yes. And we can use it to plate. Like, we'll crisp it up and I'll show you in a bit what it looks like when you cook it separately.
Okay.
And so we're almost done here.
Is that where they get pork rinds from?
Yes.
Okay.
Almost there. That's gonna make some good Querito. So now we're gonna take the pork and put it in here. Okay, we're gonna go this way. And we're gonna take our ham that's diced up and just throw it in. We're gonna take our wet ingredients, which is apple cider vinegar, white cooking wine. We'll get that poured in, and honey. And our garlic. And our onions. And then we're gonna throw in, I gotta wash my hands real quick. And then our dry ingredients and wet ingredients. So we have better than bouillon, turmeric, black pepper, sazon, cilantro, and culantro. And so we're just gonna get that all in. So we want all those in there. Now what I like to do is take the knife and stab it so that this way the flavor gets all the way inside, and I just go like that. So as it's cooking, all those holes, the flavors will go in. And then when I go to turn it, we'll go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. So this is actually ready to go in the oven. So what we're gonna do with this cookware, we're gonna take this piece off, so because it doubles up and will go in the oven. To the side, and we're gonna take the sides off. The one that we have in here out. Ooh. We're gonna put this one in. And we're gonna take this off. 'Cause. 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 ' when it's finally cooked. Nice and fall off the bone. You see how nice and clean that comes out? And if you give me a moment, I'm gonna run. Tell me when.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what the cuerito looks like afterwards. You should hear that nice crunch. And everybody usually fights over this piece. So there you have it. That's how we make homemade pernil, which is pork shoulder as well. And thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. And have a good day.